Hello, this is John.
What?
Hey, Lynn, how are you doing? Okay, you don't have any drawings? You hate to what? They're not tempered, but if they're laminated, because the drawing says all glass 18 inches or lower, and then in the bathtub, that's where they failed us in the sidelights, but they didn't say anything. Would the best thing be, because they're actually taking the old house down right now. Yeah, so you hear them crushing. They had to cut away from it to build a new house, so I'm filming him now, so it's in case he gets a new house. But what if I give you a call back or bring the drawings actually up to you with the measurement of the window?
I can't wait to see the video.
Okay.
I told Ming, I said I hope it's...
Well, the only windows that could have went in the wrong place, the side window. Ouch! The ones by the door, the side lights,
I don't know.
couldn't go anywhere else. And the only ones that could have is the two in the bathroom. But none of them say tempered on it.
That house used to be only, it ended actually where the dining room was. And then they added that on. Can you believe that was even smaller? Wow.
Yeah, they open. They're double hung.
I'll have to tell Hauser tomorrow. That's the 3-acre house.
Yeah.
I'll get measurements, and then I'll actually come up and introduce myself to you. Right. And how long do you think it would take? Can we get them rushed because that?
What?
A week? Okay. Can we rush them? I mean, because that's really the only thing holding us up now. Okay.
Can we return the sliding door? Can we return the slider?
That's what that was my next question. And I was going to call the county. Now, I don't know the codes, but if you think that will work, you know. Okay, do you want to just...
In a crank.
Okay, and also, we need one crank. One crank is missing off of the casement. Yeah, and then we have a slider that was ordered. But then, hello? Craig? Lynn? Lynn?